I don't have his kids. I don't have his 2 dead wives.
3.
3?
What?
Spoilers!
Actually, it's probably like 2 dozen.
I thought it was just the first one, Maud, and then Edna.
No, in a future episode. Oh God, no.
Hey, that's good. That's fine by me. Just undo the double sleeving. Oh, that's some good Coke. Feel the caffeine and diabetes going through my veins.
Okay.
Oakley dokley. Hi, everybody.
Oh my god, look at that instant rusher. Did you get that at Mythic Those Games or Mythic Apparel? Oh, fuck, oh shit.
I got a 5.
Alright. I got a 6. I'll go second.
Really?
Yeah. Would you like to cut or did you already cut? I don't know if you did. I know I cut yours.
The upside is. This is
No. I'm assuming you're on trains.
I'm assuming I'm on Coke.
Let's do low.
Yeah, let's play.
Are you okay down there? I goofed my game 1 and he ended up getting me back for game
We'll
3.
kick off with Granzino.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just gotta decide what I want to search for. We'll grab Scrap Raptor and
Sure.
Pop. Baby effect.
Okay.
Special.
That the baby is the what now again?
When it's destroyed, it lets me special summon a level 4 or lower dinosaur from the deck
Okay.
in succession.
Okay.
Then OV effect.
Okay.
Grab a Mist.
Mm-hmm.
Activate a Mist.
What's Miss do again?
Makes all my dinosaurs unaffected by card effects.
This turn or the whole?
For the rest of this.
Okay. That's on the field or anywhere?
Let's read it. Dinosaur monsters I control.
So that would be field, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which means you cannot nib me.
Okay.
As long as I control dinosaurs.
Okay.
I'll banish 2.
Oh, just a sec before you continue with that action. Let's go ahead. Wrong card. Sorry. Let's go ahead and call by your. I can't. It's not a mon you control.
It's my turn.
That's right. I'm sorry. Well, now you know I have that. You can tell I'm rusty.
Yeah, I can tell you. Special.
1, 2 cards face down. And
Let's go for Baby Sarasaurus.
Baby. That's too long of a name. Don't fit it.
Normal Scrap Raptor.
Sure, sure.
Pop itself.
Sure, sure.
We're not playing Magic, Rusty. You can't just fling spells.
I'm playing boogers, though, can
That's disgusting.
I? I'm joking.
Add Chimera, additional normal Chimera special.
Yeah. Double summoned the dragon. I mean, the dino. Alright, there's Link. Where's Zelda? Yep.
Special, pop it.
Yep.
Then-
Pop it. Pull it. Twist it.
I didn't actually mean it like that.
You know, there are days I debate on slapping you across the face.
Well, let's see. I've had one person already say they want to punch my teeth in. I've been bonked by Kenny several times.
Pop, baby.
there you go.
I think I'm on the wrong side of the hood because I had someone else say that Hitler did nothing wrong when I said if what was it, a mystic mind did nothing wrong or whatever. I don't know. Or summon limit. I'm not sure.
OV, pop,
Yep.
special. Then teeth effect.
Bye. Oh, he doesn't know Ivan. He won't get that.
What's that?
He doesn't know Ivan, so he won't get that. Bye.
Special.
Actually, I don't even think you know Ivan.
Kind of effect.
Think I did. The name sounds familiar.
Add Polly to hand.
You would know him if you saw him, probably.
He was the guy who won the SP tournament, wasn't
Yes.
it? Yeah, I know who Ivan is.
Bye.
I don't get the reference, but I know who he is.
Oh, he just does that all the time.
Oh, okay. I used to play him at Swick all the time. I can't remember what deck he was on though.
He just plays whenever he uses. I think the last time I saw him play was on Altergeist.
That sounds right.
Effect.
Oh, you got the card. I remember you saying you needed it.
Place.
Play Jurassic Park theme. Like it's all. Thank you.
Yes.
Link summon. Confuddled yet?
No. You just pop your own stuff, make your bigger boys.
No cross sheet.
Yep. Something tells me you're going for an extra deck summon in that open spot.
Talk to me extra deck summon.
I thought. Maybe not.
No.
No.
Well, I
What
gotta
was
summon
this?
it over.
Fusion summon. I mean, you already did set it there.
Okay, so I can't do the initial game when I was thinking. I think I just got this.
You're doing that effect.
We'll banish this plus
I'm going to discard and use the rest effect on these
this from Brave special.
Sure.
Yeah, I should still be able. I should still be able to win this. Special catch its head back to do its effect.
Sure.
Add polymerization in.
Okay.
Also, you get a token.
I get a token.
Where is it?
I can just use my field spell if you want me to. No? Okay.
And that prevents you from targeting dinos.
Okay. Can I use it for summons of my own?
Yeah.
Okay.
technically.
But it don't matter. It's going bye-bye anyway. For no reason at all. We're lucky.
Link these two off
Sure.
Whoa!
to make
I get that reference.
IP.
Rusty Shackleford.
You activate that card effect.
I'll overlay these two.
Sure.
So I don't.
Evolves or something or other?
So I don't know who you're on. I'm going to make a safe thing.
I told you I'm on coke.
I discarded the card.
Pass.
Okay. Is that the monster negate or the spell trap negate?
That's monster.
Monster.
Two monster negates.
Two monster negates. Ouch. You can use them both in the same turn?
Yeah.
Ouch. Okay. Draw for turn. Anything during draw phase?
Nope.
Question, is this a quick effect? So like let's say I do something, you negate.
chain.
You can chain onto it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's not a once per chain effect.
Does it matter where the card is activated?
No.
No. Okay. That's a problem. That's also a problem.
You don't even know what I'm going to make.
I don't, that's why it's a problem.
And she's not the one you got worried about.
Yeah.
You gotta pray you don't get back to my turn.
Okay. Let's see.
This end board would have been a lot scarier if I had one card removed in the combo.
Urgent schedule? Any response?
That's fine.
Okay.
Also, you know, if you get rid of the token, I can just use his effect pop. Look your monsters face down. This will give you another token.
So
Because
this
this special summons.
this will pop this.
No, this
I'm
will
sorry.
pop this.
Okay.
But I could choose to pop that, pop a monster from my deck,
Okay.
and flip all your other creatures face down.
Okay.
And since that would be used up, perfect route into
Now, do I go for the funny play?
activate, tap to pop.
Thinking. So that will flip these face down?
Yeah, because you have. Oh, you
Really? Go ahead, use the negate. I cannot.
Because that only works during my no games.
Fudge! RTFC. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
And here's the funny part. Pop petite, petite effect.
Okay.
You're gonna hate this. Special my QCR anchor tops.
Okay. Where do I hate this? With the rarity flex? Or...
It's an extra disruption.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You haven't normal summoned yet,
I
have you?
haven't normal summon, no. Normal summon.
IP.
Okay. I cannot use face down monsters. What am I doing with this one?
Banishing it face down.
Banish face down. Okay. I don't want to get my cards in the trash. So,
Oh, it just banishes it, so it's face up.
Face up. Okay. Are you okay with me putting it back here? Okay.
I mean, that's what I do.
I don't want it to go in the trash.
Turn the gate.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. That's what it's twice per turn into the music.
Well,
Hang
let's see.
on.
Yeah.
You can use this. Okay, it's a different effect. Yeah, never
The
mind.
wording on this makes me curious. It says if not when. So I have normal or special summon an Earth Machine. Does it have to be immediately after that to do its thing? Okay, if it says if.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's a stinker. And I cannot.
You cannot use face down monsters for like something.
Okay.
Activated. Yeah. Hang on. Hey, Rusty.
Busy.
Never mind. I guess that's
Already
gone
know
for
some.
And
now.
if you wanted to try to use anima, you can. It requires
Zero judge
a
here.
non-token.
Okay.
That is
No one?
at least 60.
Okay.
You busy?
Yes.
SP is to the end of the. Is it permanent for SP?
It's
end of the turn?
For the on summon effect.
Okay.
That's
Okay,
permanent.
well, currently
Gotcha.
I'm not a
For
drug.
its activated effect, that's only until the end of the turn.
What's,
Okay.
I'll do my best. What's your question?
Mm.
It's about Dragoon, and
Well,
it
let's see,
says
there's a
that
pop.
you cannot use
There's something, there's something.
can target this card with.
Crap, well, I can't do jack.
That near
My
force
turn?
card.
The start does not target.
Set two.
Oh, it does.
It does not target. It
Pass
does
to
not
you.
target.
Well, so much for that.
So this is like 36,
You end your turn.
14. Yep.
Okay,
We'll go pink effect.
Sure.
Attempt to pop the token, protect the token.
Okay.
oh my lord.
Oh my god.
Special ground zero.
Okay.
Mirrors effect. Pop baby source. Special frost.
Mm-hmm.
Baby effect.
Baby has something from grave?
Yeah. When it's popped, I can special
Oh, okay.
special Ovi. Ovi effect.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Big guy. Yodo, free belly.
Add UCT.
Mm-hmm.
Here. And my turn.
Banish ground zero from grave.
Mm-hmm.
Fuse.
Song strike. When a normal monster. Wait, is that special summon?
Dragon Zowler effect.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait.
Now here's the funny part. I have it normal summon this turn.
Okay.
Okay. Song striking.
We will add
More monsters activate. Pay 1500 like once you get this under activation.
Hank back to hand.
Yep.
Then banish two dinos.
Wow.
The special UCT. Move to battle phase.
Mm-hmm.
UCT can attack all defense position monsters.
Okay. It's
So
a.
attempt to swing,
Okay.
activate effect, send it to grave.
Okay.
You take 1,000. Attack again.
Do you have game on board?
Yes.
Okay.
I have
I'm
more
not
than
gonna
you.
worry about going through all that life point crap.
Yeah, this is good for going into time. Because I just quickly make him and, you know.
Yeah.
Now do you understand why you shouldn't let me go first?
Throw that in, maybe.
So many swear words that you can't even say. Also, Necro Valley says all great features monsters gain 500 attack and defense cards in the graveyard never end. Negate any card from the card
If I have the opportunity to go first. Unless you're just like completely like if you're on 10 by house.
What are your thoughts on this deck, Rusty?
Same as any other Yu-Gi-Oh deck. Likes to go first.
Well, this deck can do both.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh yeah, I forgot to move my turn.
You can draw, but I can resolve this factors.
I was going to put this.
Let's open.
Sure.
Trying to figure out.
Yep. Draw. End my turn. Now, you know how it goes. Gets good, then it flounders. Hang on, I play prevent dropper. Any number of cards from your hand, the graveyard, choose many. That many effect monsters, upon control, then ability of this turn, your attack is out, or push your turn back.
I think we're doing the speed run again, Rusty.
Oh, we would have been already done with the speed run by now.
Yeah, if I was on a different deck.
Yeah.
The same original time monster spell trap as the card sent to the graveyard. So we discard rapid substitution.
I almost played the fun build today. You would have hated that build. Because it plays Rusty.
Hold on.
This is what you would have had to deal with.
Oh, okay.
A triple extra deck card.
Nice.
Which I pulled off on Kenny.
Do you get to see what you're ripping, or do you
Yes,
pull it random?
I get to
Oh,
choose.
that's scary.
Yeah. It says you can look at your opponent's extra deck. So that means I get information.
I'll go second again.
Okay, so I planned around it right. So one,
Really? Okay.
I did not try to hand.
Okay. Activate revolving switch yard. Any response?
No.
Attempt to use second effect by pitching lightning storm. Any response? That's a search.
Yeah, go ahead.
Fine. Okay.
But on rise.
Okay. That's fine. You're good. Is that a back row card? Probably should have sent something else in. Normal. Any response?
No.
No? Okay. Effect in hand is special.
Sure.
Okay. Overlay.
May I read this real quick?
Absolutely.
So you know if it gives any protection.
It does not. I can just tell you that right now. Do stuff. Any response to summon?
No permanent.
Okay. Let's see. Overlay. Any response to the overlay?
No.
No. Detach to
To give it plus
2,000. Thinking. Proceed to battle phase.
sure.
Attack for 6k.
My turn.
In phase. Bullet train effect to bring back my Express Knight to hand.
Yeah.
Alright. Back to you.
Set a monster.
Okay.
Pass.
Alrighty. Draw for turn. Oh, let's see. Switch yard effect, pitching, switch yard, any response. Designator.
You got one.
Here to come.
Now imagine if I had crossout designator for crossout.
You know, when I realized
done
that
that.
could,
I've
yeah,
done that.
That's a funny play. Alright, so get my search off. Has to be level 10.
Can you kill me?
Yes.
Okay.
Going to game 3? Okay. I should rephrase that. Kill you? Probably not. Beat you in a game of Yu-Gi-Oh? Debatable. Not with my current wins record against you. Okay.
Especially when I'm playing a deck that you're not very familiar with.
I'm not familiar with just about any deck that I'm not playing. Branded's pretty much Branded Fusion. I know Dinos is a lot of pop my own stuff to do other stuff.
She's like Ghost Rider. Okay.
Oh, excuse me.
Well, for the record, I'm going to enjoy this.
There we go.
I don't know what to go into.
Okay. Just, you want me to go with these real quick game in mind?
I lost my game 1 because I forgot to detach for leave.
Ah, I can't believe I got paired down. Hey, if I go too low, it means I get more store credit. I'm gonna help with picking up another deck. And if this deck wins, I'll profile it tonight.
No, this is only one way. So we can 16, 3 times 2 is 12.
First or second?
I'll go second.
Second, okay.
I am going to go second again after I play.
I sided wisely then. Now,
Good luck.
yeah, you too. Just because I added 3 cards doesn't mean I'm going to see them. Yeah, sure didn't. Wow, yeah, this hand sucks. Can't summon that. Pass. I got nothing.
First.
Card right there is spell.
Okay.
Round 0.
Okay.
That can be activated. Stays over. I get no effect.
And yes, I can kill
And
you.
your monster effect.
Please, they beat me in a game of Yu-Gi-Oh! I bruise easy. You don't have to kill me.
What's that been dropped?
Special
Okay.
effect.
Ash.
Chain link 1.
Oh,
Chain link 2. So you cannot.
I cannot
Because I
ash.
chain back.
Ah, okay. Well, thanks for the token.
Add Misk.
Yep.
Activate Misk.
Yep.
The same type of monster, spell, or trap as the card sent to the graveyard. Turn.
Okay.
OB.
So still
Attempt to
has
pop.
half its
Attack.
attack.
Pop.
Okay. Let's see here. Gonna play.
Baby from the deck.
There we go.
Special back. Baby effect.
Valley's Throne.
Would you like to attempt to ash?
What's that? What now? I'm sorry.
You could ash my baby sorcerer.
Let's go for it. You probably got a response if you're offering. Oh, no response. Okay.
Normal Raptor.
Okay.
Searching as you handed, so we pick your star. Then I'm going to search out Necro Valley, which then I have on the field and play.
I forgot there's train tracks near here.
So did I.
Then I play Red Eye Fusion.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, I'm pretty sure I can still kill you.
Please beat me in a game of Yu-Gi-Oh! Not kill
Link
me.
summon into
None yet. Then again, fairly as in
Cross sheet.
Okay.
Then Misk effect, banish 4.
Okay.
Use them together.
I know, it's surprising.
Rise Dark Dragoon. And then I
Special
play
Kaito Teta.
Tribute.
Okay.
Teta effect.
Veiler.
And they can really active on the field.
You cannot.
I can't?
Because of Lost World.
In their hands
Lost
or
World. Had to read it real
graveyard.
quick.
Yeah.
I don't have any. Do you? Do you have any launch cards in your hand?
Yeah, it's a targeted. Wait one
Well,
second.
then discard all of them.
Controls a token. They cannot target. Oh yeah, and it's targets.
Holly.
Cool.
use these two
Mm-hmm.
to make
Oop, looks like this thing's dead.
chain link 1, chain link 2. I'm not using the search effect. Special back. Teat. I get an additional normal summon if I wish.
There we go. That'll conserve the battery for a bit.
Link. 3. Link 2.
Hey, Rusty.
What?
And
Into
would
SP.
Right Dragoon work against monsters in the graveyard, like zero effects activate? Can it stop them?
I'd have to read Dragoon.
Activate.
Excuse me.
I'll try and use this right there. But
I would have had game if you hadn't.
it doesn't
Give me
say. It
that.
doesn't say.
Yeah. We'll try to deal as much damage as we can.
That's a lot of damage.
Special. And here's the funny thing. I get an additional normal summon.
Cool.
Normal chimera. Battle phase. All my dinos are reduced. All my non-dinos are reduced by 500. So 12, 11, swing 23.
Okay, then.
I got the 12.
Well, first.
Right,
I can't because you're
attack
token.
your
Oh.
first elemental
Attempt to
hero
attack.
automatically.
Active
Okay.
effect. Send it.
Okay.
You take 1,000.
Okay, hold on. Let me add that 1200 back real quick then. I take
So
1,000.
it's a
And then you
4,002.
take. I'm just gonna add up the rest of these. So
Just give them to me individually in case I gotta look it
500,
up. Okay.
1,200,
Oh, I could have kept that 1200. Yeah. Okay.
1,100. What's your current life total?
42.
Okay. Pass.
Alright. Drop return anything during drop phase.
Nope.
Proceeding to standby phase anything during standby.
Nope.
Can I take a look at Lost World again?
Sure.
Alright.
If I special summon anything,
I get
I special summon Dino, you get a token.
Can I look at the SP real quick?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll be very, very delicate with
Yeah,
it.
because that's a $40 card.
Yes.
It's the most expensive card in the collection.
So we got it from the tin, huh?
Yeah. I got it first.
Nice.
And I pulled a second on accident. If I'd kept it, I know you would have bought it off of me.
Probably.
Or you would have actively helped me get that core. I was out of hand there.
Alright, and I'm looking at Lost World one more because something caught my attention on that again. Okay, cool. Alright. Lightning Storm Call Monster.
We should have 2 mana.
Okay.
This card, this using the graveyard. Oh, yeah, these.
Sure.
Okay.
Ring the bell.
Set
Yeah, that's fine.
2 cards, pass. Draw.
Set 1.
Alright. Drop return anything during drop.
No.
Okay. Normal summon in response to the normal.
No.
Effect in hand is special because I control one. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay. We're gonna overlay. Let's see.
And there it is.
I'm like, I won't be sitting like for very much longer.
Debating here.
Not really, it's not really brand.
Oh,
That's the thing.
how are you gonna reprint again?
It's a prismatic secret, so I actually think it's trying to make this go up in price.
Boy, I don't know which one to go into. I got
It's
options
not the
here.
highest, it's not the most expensive.
Because ulti, yeah. Yeah, those things got pulled in back in the game.
You know it's not important, right?
Yeah.
It's heavily
I can still use this one, can't I?
More than enough time, but we have played a reasonable pace.
We also don't know what's in my hand.
I don't, you're right.
So can you take the risk of it being a hand trap?
Maybe. Let's go to Gungarda.
What is that do?
I can detach one, target one card my opponent controls, destroy the target, and if I do, inflict 1,000 to my opponent. And then this card cannot attack the turn I activate this effect.
Are you going to attempt to activate?
I am.
Which card are you targeting?
Back row.
Alternate one card is activated.
Negate it? Okay.
And you can't attack, so
With that, I can't.
so no Zeus.
Derek Green will get rid of your lost one below. Alright, go into
Can you do that?
yes. Rank 10 Earth Machine.
Okay.
Yeah. Detach. No, you have to detach. Go for again.
Half. I'm at 7,000.
Huh?
I'm at 7,000.
You're at 7,000?
Yeah, I only took
Oh
1,000.
shoot, I was looking at my life points.
End of battle.
Hold on just a second. Let me subtract that 6,000.
End of battle.
Give me that evenly. Yep. So I have to pick one. Oh, it has to be. Oh shoot.
Face up.
Face up ones, right?
Well,
No,
you
I
can banish
just.
anything.
Okay.
I would recommend keeping a defensive monster.
Yeah. Thinking.
After doing somebody for 10, and then take one or three minutes, and then don't somebody for 10. When you actually
42. This is an alright bet kind of moment. Don't need that. It's banish face down, correct? Okay.
Forever.
Yeah.
And you have to get rid of one more.
I know.
But you know, if I draw any monster,
I'm gonna take a gamble. Go ahead.
normal open.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Felix.
What's your life points?
4,200.
Smash the break thing.
18.
Pass.
Alright. Drop the turn. Pass.
What's your life total?
24.
Tribute summon?
Okay.
He's really cool. He can do some damage.
Yeah, you got it.
For me, it's kind of
Next